Hi friends! Welcome to day 9 of our 14 Days of Watercolor Joy. Can you believe it? We are already here, painting, learning, exploring, discovering what we love and what we don't love quite as much. Which brings us to today's theme, painting small. Today is all about tiny details. Holy berries, delicate branches, and little ornaments hanging like stars. And listen, I know painting small is not everybody's favorite thing. Some of us are very comfortable with big strokes and big shapes. And when it comes to small details, we are like, nope. But that's exactly why today is so important. To find your style, to get to know yourself as an artist, you have to try different things, even the ones you think you might not enjoy, because you might surprise yourself, or you might confirm 100% that painting tiny things is not your thing. And honestly, either outcome is perfect. That's one more thing you understand about yourself. One more tool for your creative journey. Let me show you today's practice. You'll find different holy leaves, different branch shapes, berry sizes, thin lines for stems, tiny shapes to warm up your hand, and a set of small stars you can hang on as ornaments. I included all these options so you can choose the ones you feel connected to. And why not? Maybe today you create your own leaf shape or a different ornament hanging from your branch. A little heart, a moon, a bell, or even a tiny gift. Make it yours. Start right here on the practice sheet. Warm up with circles, tiny strokes, and gentle lines. Painting small is a whole different feeling. Your pressure changes. Your water load changes. Your focus changes. And remember, the practice sheets are made for this exact moment. Exploring, discovering, building muscle memory, trying new things, testing brushes, relaxing, and removing the fear of wasting watercolor paper. This is where you experiment without guilt. No perfect paper, no blank page staring at you, just play. For tiny elements, you have two great options: a liner brush or the fine tip of your round brush. A liner brush gives you consistent thin lines without thinking too much about pressure. The tip of a round brush is more challenging, but also a great way to grow your control. Every brush behaves differently, and even if a brush looks pointy, it doesn't always make clean, smooth strokes. That's why testing first on the practice sheet is so important. Now, let's paint our little Christmas branch. Start with your thin line, very light pressure. Let it curve, let it breathe. Then add your holy leaves. And hang your little stars like ornaments. This is the fun part. You get to decide your own style. Bright greens or deep greens, red berries or burgundy berries, gold stars or colorful stars, simple or detailed. Remember, you are not copying me. You are creating your interpretation, your story. If you want a magical touch, this is the perfect illustration to add a hint of gold. A gold star, a gold dot, a gold line. Just a tiny sparkle makes it festive and elegant. As always, your artwork doesn't have to look like mine. You are welcome to follow along exactly, but I want you to explore options. Try small leaves. Try thin branches. Try different ornaments. Try gold. Try simplicity. Try details. This is how you find your voice, not by perfection, but by curiosity. I can't wait to see your day 9 paintings. Tag me with my Christmas brush so I can celebrate your creativity. Whether you are gifting this, framing them, or selling them, I'm cheering for you every day. I'll see you tomorrow for day 10. And until then, keep playing.